Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make simple and delicious apple dumplings. In the fall and winter time I really love to bake, so I love all comforting things like pies, cakes, cobblers, etc. So I'm going to show you how I make mine really simple. So if you want to learn how I do it, just keep watching. So in a saucepan I'm going to add my first ingredients, which are butter, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Okay, so I'm going to add everything into a saucepan and then I'm going to let it all melt down, the flavors marry together, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, and now I'm going to set that to the side and then I'm going to work on my apples. I got 2 to 3 freshly washed apples and I'm going to decor them and cut them into slices with my apple cutter. a good tip to have is to have an extra apple or two laying around, because you're going to need at least 16 pieces of apples to match these 16 squares of crescent rolls. So just make sure if there's an apple piece that got chopped off, isn't a full apple slice, then you need to go ahead and have extra apples on deck, one or two. That way you can have 16 full pieces of apples to go with the dough. Okay, now it's time to roll out the crescent rolls. I roll everything out, and then I use a pizza cutter just to slice the triangles out a little bit more perfectly using the lines that they already provided you. But you just slice each triangle out and you should have 16 pieces all together. Okay, and now it's time to assemble. I'm going to take my greased 9x13 baking dish, and I'm going to take each dough triangle, and I'm just going to wrap each apple slice as so. Make sure the apple is covered top and bottom, and then I'm going to just lay that in the dish until I fulfill all triangles with an apple. I'm just going to lay it all. I think, again, 16 total pieces, which was perfect for this dish, but I'm going to assemble each one and then lay it in my dish, and then we're going to go to the next step. Okay, now I have assembled my dumplings. I'm going to pour that buttery sugar mixture that we made earlier right on top. And then on top of that, I'm going to pour in 12 ounces of lemon lime soda. I personally use Sprite, but you can use Sprite, 7-Up, or Mountain Dew. But we're going to pour 12 ounces of soda on top of this mixture as well. And then we're going to throw these in the oven that is preheated already at 350 degrees. And then we're going to bake these for 40 to 45 minutes. Guys, look at how good these look. They were so good. All you have to do is pair them with some whipped cream, or I personally put a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top with some caramel drizzle. Perfect, 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 perfect. Please let me know if you guys have tried these before, or if you guys are willing to try this recipe. Do not forget that I will link to this recipe that you can print off on my website. Look in the description box below. You will have the link directly to the recipe. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.